the hill goes Guiley. Trouble for Jake Guiley. Bickle inherits the lead. Jake Guiley's rear end is back. Side to side, Panhard bar perhaps breaking on that car. And around goes Tillman, and Rubeck gets into Guiley, and a caution is out. Baker involved as well. Boy, they didn't quite get out of the way, so to speak. Or someone didn't quite do the job, and Ricky Baker's car is destroyed as he drives it around a track. Right front toast. Back end toast. Rubeck out already. Jake Guiley gone. Kurt Tillman involved driving away. 5 laps in, and the caution is out. Wayne Freeman's car up in smoke on the inside of turn number 2.